Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve 8-ball data problem. To know how to fix or how to solve 8-ball data problem, you should just go to settings. Then in this window here you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will enter to 8-ball. After that, in this app info, we click for stop. When you'll find this page, we click storage. Then you will enter to clear cache, and in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.